Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, this is the official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices drivers, and you can see this right hand side search button. Just click it and type your model number of your motherboard W880 AI top to click. Then guys hit enter, click on product, then see click on the title of motherboard, then guys click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Then guys select your operating system Windows 10 11. So installations process both same Windows and 10. So Windows 10 and 11, select any. Okay, audio driver. So you can see this is audio driver. Just click to download. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically. You can see here one downloading in pro. Okay, this is size 165. So wait few seconds to complete. After that just open it, and this is exe file, this is extracted, so you can install directly. Otherwise you extract to any specific folder and then you can launch it. Otherwise you just have to install one time, so you can just double click. Then click to yes, this is required administrator rights to install. Now this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay. So guys, is automatically close means this is installed, and then close it.